I'm Cheryl, and here's what's coming up next week on the Sewing Room channel. On Monday, I'll go over easy fat quarter projects. On Tuesday is shopping haul day, and I'll show you all kinds of goodies. On Wednesday is the tip of the week, and it's all about pins, clips, and bias tape. And on Friday, I'll show you how to make this cute little bowl cover. Make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know when the videos are up on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!